Hey everybody, it's Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. I'm actually filming this after the pour because at the end of that last video I dropped a cup in that painting and ruined it. It's the one before the preview video. So I was all happy and go lucky in that video, I know, and then I'm all grumpy in this video, so you'll see why. I ended up, you'll see the puddle, I scraped everything to the middle, and luckily I have leftover paint, so I am going to do another flip cup and spin it out and try for a painting with a ton of cells and go again. So it's always something, I tell ya. Anyway, let me get you down. I dropped a cup in the middle of that painting from the last video, and rather than make that a long video, this is my scrape into the middle. No giggles this video, it's all serious work. Just kidding. I was using up the colors that I had left, and I made up a batch of titanium white that I'm going to put on top. Actually, I'm going to dive bomb some in and then put on top. I think I'm out of colors. A little bit of graphite gray, top of the gray. And dive bomb the white, and put the rest. Somehow got dirty, and put it on top. Before we flip it, I'm a hot mess, so I'm just going to use my fingers. Forget about the color. Let's. I don't want that puddle to be so deep. Made a really nice minty green color. I'm actually using the leftover paint from that first pour from the last video, just to help spread things around. Maybe we're going to put on the gray. I'm just going to use up all the paint. I'm not going to let this run off. Where do you think you're going? Come back. I didn't even show my face at the beginning, did I? Sorry about that. I was grumpy. No lie. No lie. I'll do an intro at the end and put it at the beginning of the video. That's what I'll do. All right. kind of cleaned up the counter. Just going to stretch this out a bit. Things are sliding around fairly well. So that's good. Let's give this a torch. I kind of want to spin it out. I really, really do. Just because I'm dying of curiosity, like a slow spin, because I can't have paint splattering all over my kitchen. There's paint all over my spinner already. So I'm gonna put this on my spinner. Just because I'm dying of curiosity, like a slow spin, because I can't have paint splattering all over my kitchen. There's paint all over my spinner already. So I'm gonna put this on my spinner. Since it's wood, there's my giant mess on my counter. I'm gonna have some serious cleaning up to do. That's about as fast as I can go, because I see paint coming off, but it's not splattering. Let me see. Look at that, I got to a corner. That was amazing. Right up here. I don't know if I'm going to get to these other corners without some paint on them. And I'm going to plenty of paint on my counter, and a lot of it is not muddy, so I'm going to scoop some up with my trusty spatula and lay it on these corners. This will help out. And go give them a torch too. So that corner, and this one, and this third one. I'm going to lay that little blue design in there like that. Let me give this a torch. Just gentle spin, and then I have to pick this up and unfold this. Then I get to double Karen. Yeah. There we go. Oh gosh, I got really close. Slow and patient. Now if I, had my container big enough that I could put this in, I'd be done already. But just fast forward for the dizzy part. Yep. I'm gonna wipe it off the bottom of the canvas here. I'm gonna say one more time, and then I think I'll have to resort. I'm gonna have to go. Just about there on the one corner. Let's stop and look. Yep. I'm going to go a little bit more because it's just there. There's like a quarter of an inch on one corner and a half an inch on the other. Did that do it? Ta-da! Wow. I'm going to want to do that again because you get coverage without warping your cells. This is for the cell lovers out there. I'm still bummed about the other painting, but this is gorgeous. There's no lie. I'm a hot mess. Let me turn off the camera, wipe off my hands. I have an old carpet down, but I want to look at my hardwood floors, and I'll get the camera down and we'll get a close-up on this guy. Be right back. Okay, all cleaned up and got this all ready to put under my tent, and maybe the whole thing was serendipity because I love this. Now obviously, back in that other video, I was trying for the one, my inspiration piece that I had done for my husband, and this looks nothing like it, but it's South City, which is what I was going for a change, and I love how it changes colors everywhere. And even places here where it looked like it was going to have caterpillars, it like stretched those out. So there's like this, they look like little soldiers all lined up. And I love how it changes colors everywhere. I think I stopped spinning just in the nick of time, because if you overspin, then your cells turn into kidney beans. Where are some kidney beans? They're usually on the ends. Like maybe like right here, like see the shapes of those? They start, or like here, right here. When they're close to the edge and they're falling off, they tend to turn. So that's how you can kind of tell, like, oh, I gotta stop spinning now, because you start losing the shapes of your cells. But super, super happy with this. Man, that made me work for it. Took the giggle right out of me. Sure did. Let me flip around and say goodbye. Okay, I'm back with the dried results of this piece. Still really happy with the way it turned out on the spinner. This is a Da Vinci brand cradle board. I usually am an ampersand gal, but Jerry's Artarama had a huge like mega sale on these. It warped a little bit right here in the middle, like I can feel it, and it's gone down a bit. I'll probably just throw a heavy book on it and give it a week, and I'm sure it'll sort itself out. But I gotta say, the ampersand brand never ever warps. Even I did one, a commission that was like 28 by 42, and on one of their cradle gesso boards, and it did not warp at all. So we'll see. Hopefully that sorts itself out. This will get resined. I think the orientation is going to be something like this when it's all said and done. But and it'll need to get clean because I did use silicone, and I've already wiped it off because, you know, the silicone rises right away. It just sucks right up from the paint. And so it's been wiped off, but I wash it with Dawn or my DIY, or my art wash from, it's Counterculture DIY. They sell a spray of art wash, spray it on, wait 30 seconds, wipe it off, and you're done. So this will get some little bit of TLC in a few weeks. But where am I? That's it for me. It's actually a couple days later. I hope to see you guys where am I looking? This Sunday, August 16th at 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Saving Time for the live auction. I didn't do as many pieces because I wanted an opportunity to like chat with folks and goof off and say hi. Just so it's not always so one-sided, you know? Anyway, I hope to see you guys there. Even if you can't buy anything, just, you know, come hang out. No pressure. I'll see you guys then. Take care, y'all. Bye-bye.